Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make Victoria sponge cake. This is an easy ratio to remember. Based on this, I never make any mistakes. Now, I will double the quantity and prepare the cake batter. I will need 4 eggs, 200 gram flour, 200 grams softened butter, 200 grams sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder. I will also add a teaspoon vanilla extract for flavor. Mix butter and sugar first. Give a good whisk to blend in some air until the color becomes pale. Then add 1 egg at a time with a spoon of flour. Then mix them well. Repeat the same method to add the rest 3 eggs. Remember, always add 1 egg at a time with a spoon of flour. After adding all the eggs, add the vanilla extract. Sift the remaining flour and the baking powder. Gently mix them all until there is no loose flour. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. I use 2 8-inch cake pan. For coating the cake pan, I use vegetable oil. You can also use butter, then flour the surface. Last, add a piece of parchment paper. I used a scale and equally divided the cake batter into 2 separate cake pans. Smooth the surface and make it even. Everything is ready, let's do the baking. I usually bake them between 20 to 25 minutes. While waiting, I make the Chantilly cream. Just add sugar and vanilla extract to the heavy cream. I don't add anything to stabilize the whipped cream. This cream will not get pushed out of the cake even after a couple of days. Just prolong the whisking time until the consistency like this. Time is up. Let's check the cake. Stick a toothpick into the cake. If it comes out dry, the cake is fully cooked. 10 minutes up, I remove the cake from the baking pan. Then spread some strawberry jam. Now add the Chantilly cream. Place the second cake on top. Dust the surface with powdered sugar. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so this cake cost me $13. I'm going to enjoy the cake with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.